Today I've got something really handy and really inexpensive to show you. I think you're going to like it, so check it out. This is called the NewQ 5 gigabytes per second SD card reader with 14 slots. Now what it is, it looks cool. It's protected. You can tell it's protected well. You take this, you can push it, and if you can see, you got all kinds of room for memory cards. I think you got 4 SD and 10 TF. TF is the same thing as the micro SD. That's just what SanDisk used to call them. It changes the name. This is very cool. Not only does this carry and protect them, but I was thinking that it didn't give me my cord. I can't hook it up. I just thought I have this handle, but if you look closely, that pulls right out of your handle, plugs into your computer. You get a fast download. You get to carry a lot of cards, and they're well protected in this thing. It looks like a little army. I don't know what those things are in the army they use, but it looks very well protected. It's made out of rubber. Just comes out real easy. Just push it out. It don't come out all the way. And then if you look right in here, right in there, that's where you put your memory cards to hook up to the computer to read them. And it has really high speeds. So anyway, I think you guys will like this. I don't show you guys a lot of things that just to be showing them to you. I only show you things that I like. And I like this, and I bought it with my own money. It wasn't sent to me. I'm going to put a picture of it above it so you can see it. I'll leave a link down below it so you can get it off Amazon. We are affiliated with Amazon, so we'll get a few dollars. Sells for $31.99, but right now there's a 20% off coupon, so it's about $25. And you can't really beat that for $25, especially for the speeds that you get from it. So you check it out. Let me know what you think about it. If you already have one, let me know what you think about it. And if we're helping you guys out, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a good day.